Need to make changes to a media file you've already uploaded? With DFR, it's simple to edit key media properties so your project documentation stays accurate, organized, and up to date. Here's how. Click the Media button. Locate the file you want to update. Use filters if needed to narrow your search. Click on the image or document to open the media preview. Once loaded, tap the Manage tab. From here you can replace or re-upload the media file if a better or corrected version is available. Change the associated user in case the file was uploaded on behalf of someone else. Update the report date to link the media to the correct day's daily field report. Delete the file if it's no longer needed or was uploaded in error. Every change is immediately reflected in your media archive and associated project reports, keeping your documentation clean and aligned with project activity. Managing and correcting media files couldn't be any easier. DFR, streamlined, affordable, and built for the way you work.